Hi, I'm Jeremy. I'm in the jigsaw puzzle market and I run and operate a private label brand for which I sell on Amazon and other e-commerce platforms. I've been in the e-commerce space for a little over 5 years now, and packaging is vital to the success of any e-commerce product, especially when it comes to games and toys. And it's just smart business for the consumer to have an incredible first impression when opening or unboxing their product. Therefore, the packaging is an experience in itself. This is exactly the reason why these unboxing videos are becoming increasingly popular across social media. It's an experience. And you're seeing innovative packaging more nowadays, from tech products to food and beverage, you name it. And when you're competing in the same market, your product really has to stand out against the competition. And as an e-commerce entrepreneur, I understood this very early on in my career. And I've seen way too many times that poorly designed or poorly constructed packaging can really make or break a product. Large online retailers like Amazon require pretty specific or pretty strict packaging specifics. So for example, in order for Amazon to accept a listing, they have to verify that your packaging is professional and that its details reflect that of the actual product, which means there's really no room for error. And I've definitely found this out the hard way. And on top of that, depending on the type of product, some require more sturdy materials that's able to withstand being transported across continents. And it's not always easy to find a reliable source to consistently make that happen. And I've wasted a lot of time, money, and resources trying to do just that. But that's not been my experience with Unico company. I've tried other custom packaging companies from all over the globe, and I've run into problems, from not responding to emails, to unexpected price hikes, to late delivery. And it can be really frustrating to find a dependable packaging company that not only delivers great service, but also understands why the packaging element of e-commerce is so important to begin with, and to the success of businesses in general. I've never had any complaints with Unico company. I've never run into any time zone issues, and my customers are consistently happy with the end products. And I'm increasing my profits every quarter, and I believe a lot of that success really depends or goes into the packaging. And this is reflected in my sales and ROI. And when it comes to my business, toys and games, you just can't have boring, mundane packaging. It's just not going to work. You've got to have that professional packaging, and you've got to stick out in the marketplace. And I'd say if you're looking for a box manufacturer or searching to outsource your packaging, I highly recommend Unico company and their services. They're trustworthy, have excellent communication skills, and cover the entire spectrum from paper bags to custom boxes, gift boxes, card prints. And I'll definitely be sticking with their services in the future.